So I'm David Gerberry. I'm a professor in the mathematics department, and currently I'm directing the data science honors program. So data science specifically deals with the idea of gaining insight from large, complex, unstructured data sets, right? So traditionally, statistics is, the sort of discipline we use when we have data if we want to make conclusions. But statistics requires a good amount of structure in your data and a lot of certain assumptions so that your statistical tests work. With data science, you're dealing with much larger data sets, and maybe not all of the structuring conditions that you might like to have for standard statistical tests. At Xavier, the way that we've created our program is that we think data science is the intersection of studying mathematics and statistics, and studying computer science, and as well business analytics type ideas, that help us understand, what kind of decisions, and how people in those roles that would have to make business decisions think about data. There's a whole spectrum of sort of, data science oriented jobs, typically roles that would be maybe called like, data engineer. Those individuals are a little bit more interested in, how data is captured, how it flows, how it's stored in systems. And sort of, I kind of like to think of it as the plumbing of how data moves through our system and our data is kept up to date. Data scientists are sort of, at the next level when the data is collected. Data scientists are cleaning the data, visualizing the data, trying to describe what's in the data. But then also they might move into ideas of testing. So maybe you want to run some experiments and certain customers or certain users are getting different experiences, and you want to see how the results differ. And then I guess the other end of the spectrum is full sort of machine learning and artificial intelligence sort of algorithms, that are kind of like the most complicated, most detailed, sort of tools that we can throw at really complex data sets to see if we can find patterns.